you told all the boys that you were gonna take me out. You even had the nerve to make a bet. Yes, you did. That I would give in all my love. You would win, but you haven't. You haven't won it yet. You took me for